So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a quick install on a new 3-piece lower bezel trim in color match. We have our blue VB here with our duckbill, V5, and as well as a new GTS lip in color match. So it's gonna look really good. Stay tuned and let's get started. All right guys, here it is, the new updated bezel kit. We actually released one before where the whole thing was color match. Everyone's like, no, it looks bad, blah, blah, blah. So we decided to change it up, painting the middle crystal black silica and the outside color match. So for those that have the base model, this is a really good upgrade, big difference. So this is definitely gives some more contrast. And for those that do have the fog lights, you can still upgrade this. You literally just pop this cover off and slap it on so you can go back, reverse if you want. And then the middle piece, we also changed it up as well. We went the blue on top and the gloss black on the bottom. So just for reference, so this will be available guys on the website for pre-order. Go ahead and show you guys what it looks like without the lip and then with the lip. Jerry went ahead and disassembled everything. In order to do the bezels, you have to take the bumper off because there's 2 clips on the upper area that connects to the middle bezel. But for the middle bezel, all you gotta do is do the 3M double-sided tape. Went ahead and took off the lip, took off the sides. Now all you gotta do is bolt it back in, push it in, boom. Just like that, guys. Super easy. As you can see, the whole front end looks much more aggressive now. Now Jerry will do the middle piece. Let's mock it up real quick, see what it looks like. Damn, look at that, guys. Tony says 10 out of 10. So yeah, very clean with the gloss black, and you have the grill, especially with the gloss black. So ties in really well. I think if you run a gloss black lip, I think it'll look fire. But we're gonna see what it looks like with the color match lip. So just go ahead and prep this. Make sure you clean this adhesive promoter and apply 3M tape on. He's getting the full kit. Not color match, but in gloss black. Side skirts, rear bumper covers, fender flares, and STI wing color match. So it's very different. I haven't done one of these in a while. Looks very different. Much, much better. I prefer the color match, but you know, I think gloss black definitely looks better than the cladding itself. All right guys, here it is. Jerry finished the middle section. The front end looks amazing. 10 out of 10. I definitely like it better than the whole the color match. Honestly, right now, I think we put the STI stickers, like how we have on our VB and the giveaway VB, I think they look fire. But I think the middle trim alone already make a huge difference. If you guys are interested with the 3-piece bezel kit, check the link below. Pre-order is live. So, by the way, let's take the plate off just because it was blocking it to put this on. So we have a plate on, this guy come off. And you can put it back on or just get some plugs. I think, in my opinion, will look better. Is on. As you can see, wow, this looks amazing. Personally, I think I'll go with the gloss black front lip. The color match does just as well. I really think he needs a color match fender flares. It's like I said, once you go color match, you kind of go through the whole thing. But the front end is definitely transformed. It looks amazing. Car needs to be lower a little bit. I think it's perfect. But yeah, guys, this is a quick short video today to this introduction for our new lower bezel kit. If you're interested, check in below. That's it for today's quick video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next one.